What if everything you've been doing to become more confident has been pointing you in the wrong direction? Many people spend years trying to become more confident. They wait for people to compliment them. They hope others will approve of them. They believe confidence will come when they finally succeed. But here's the truth. Here's the truth. Confidence doesn't begin when other people believe in you. It begins when you start believing in yourself. And today I'll show you how to build that kind of confidence, the kind no rejection, criticism, or opinion can take away. Look at someone who seems confident. Maybe they speak confidently in public. They walk into a room without hesitation. They express themselves with ease. It's easy to think they were born that way, but that's rarely true. Confidence isn't inherited, it's built. Just like a muscle becomes stronger with exercise, confidence grows through repeated thoughts, habits, and actions. The more you practice believing in yourself, the stronger your confidence becomes. Here's one mistake many people make. They allow other people to decide how they feel about themselves. One compliment, they're happy. One criticism, their confidence disappears. That's because their confidence depends on external validation. And that's a dangerous place to build your self-worth. Real confidence doesn't ask, do they like me? It asks, do I respect the person I'm becoming? When your confidence comes from within, other people's opinions lose their power over you. Do you know that the person you talk to most every day is yourself? So what are you saying? I'm not good enough. I embarrass myself. Nobody will like me. The problem isn't just that these thoughts are negative, it's that your brain hears them repeatedly and begins treating them as facts. Instead, start replacing them. I'm learning every day. It's okay to make mistakes. The right people will appreciate me for who I am. At first, it may feel strange, but every new belief begins as something unfamiliar. This is where affirmations can help. Not because they are magical, but because repetition changes the way you think. Here are a few powerful affirmations. I am becoming more confident every day. I deserve healthy and meaningful relationships. I can express myself clearly. I am enough. I grow every time I step outside my comfort zone. Say them consistently, not because you already believe them, but because you're teaching your mind a new way to think. Your self-image shapes your behavior. If you constantly see yourself as awkward, you'll act awkward. If you believe you're incapable, you'll hesitate before trying. But imagine seeing yourself differently, not as someone who's perfect, but as someone who's growing, someone who's learning, someone who's becoming more confident every day. Even small changes can reinforce that identity. Stand tall. Dress in a way that makes you feel confident. Speak to yourself with kindness. Sometimes confidence begins before you even say a word. Thinking positively is important, but confidence grows even faster when you take action. Start with small goals. Introduce yourself to someone. Maintain eye contact during the conversation. Share your opinion when you normally stay silent. Each time you accomplish one small goal, your brain learns something powerful. I can do this. And that's how real confidence is built. Before this video ends, I'd like you to do something. Take a sheet of paper, write down 5 strengths you already have. Maybe you're kind, patient, a good listener, reliable, creative. If this feels difficult, ask yourself, what do people appreciate about me? You have strengths. Sometimes you've simply forgotten to notice them. I also encourage you to keep a simple confidence journal. Every evening, write down 3 things. One thing you did well today, one thing you're grateful for, and one thing you'll improve tomorrow. This simple habit trains your brain to notice progress instead of perfection. Over time, you stop seeing yourself through the lens of failure and start seeing yourself through the lens of growth. There will still be days when you doubt yourself, days when confidence feels difficult. That's completely normal. Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It's choosing to move forward even when fear is present. Every small step you take, every conversation you begin, every challenge you face is helping you become the confident person you're capable of being. Before you leave, I want to give you a simple challenge. Today, write down 5 things you genuinely like about yourself. Not what other people say about you, what you appreciate about yourself. Then share just one of them in the comments below. You never know. Your answer might encourage someone else to recognize your own strengths. If you don't want to wait, I've explained the entire process step by step in my book, Breaking Free from Shyness. You'll find a link in the description. In the next episode, we'll take this confidence and put it into practice by mastering the social skills that help you connect naturally, communicate comfortably, and build meaningful relationships with others. If you found this series helpful, subscribe to Rise and Conquer, turn on notifications, and continue this journey with me. And remember this, confidence isn't something you discover. No, it's something you build. One thought, one action, and one day at a time. Until next time, don't let fear write your story. Rise and conquer.